What if I told you? The air inside your home could be more polluted than outside, even if everything looks clean. Invisible toxins from furniture, cleaning products, and even electronics are silently affecting your health every day. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive gadgets to start breathing cleaner air. Nature already has the solution. In today's video, I'm revealing 10 powerful houseplants that naturally purify your air, boost oxygen, and transform your space into a healthier sanctuary. Stay until the end, because some of these plants even work while you sleep. 1. Snake plant. If you only get one plant from this list, make it the snake plant. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly air purifier, and it's almost impossible to kill. What makes it truly special is something most plants don't do. While other plants release oxygen during the day, the snake plant continues producing oxygen at night. That means it's perfect for your bedroom, helping improve air quality while you sleep. It's known for filtering harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, chemicals commonly found in furniture, paints, and household cleaners. Over time, these toxins build up in indoor spaces, but the snake plant works quietly in the background to reduce them. Another reason people love it? It thrives on neglect. You don't need to water it often, and it tolerates low light like a pro. Even if you forget about it for weeks, it still stands tall and healthy. Visually, its upright, sword-like leaves give a modern, minimalist look that fits any room. Whether you place it on your nightstand or in a corner, it instantly upgrades your space. If you want a plant that's low effort but high impact, the snake plant is your best friend. 2. Peace lily. The peace lily isn't just beautiful, it's one of the most powerful natural air purifiers you can own. This plant is famous for removing multiple indoor toxins, including ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde. These pollutants often come from cleaning products, carpets, and synthetic materials, making the peace lily especially useful in modern homes. But what really sets it apart is its elegant white flowers. Unlike many houseplants, this one actually blooms indoors, adding a calm, spa-like vibe to your space. It's perfect for living rooms or bathrooms where you want both beauty and function. The peace lily also helps improve humidity levels by releasing moisture into the air. This can reduce dry skin, irritated eyes, and even respiratory discomfort, especially if you live in an air-conditioned environment. Caring for it is simple. It prefers indirect light and slightly moist soil. And here's a cool trick. It actually tells you when it needs water. Its leaves will droop slightly, and once you water it, they bounce right back. If you're looking for a plant that combines luxury aesthetics with serious air cleaning power, the peace lily is a perfect choice. 3. Spider plant. The spider plant is one of the easiest and most rewarding plants you can grow indoors. It's especially effective at removing carbon monoxide and formaldehyde, two common pollutants found in kitchens and homes with limited ventilation. That makes it a smart choice for improving everyday air quality. But what makes this plant really fun is how it grows. It produces small baby plants that hang down like spiders on a web. Over time, you can cut these babies and grow brand new plants for free. This makes the spider plant perfect if you want to expand your indoor jungle without spending extra money. It's also pet-friendly, which is a huge bonus if you have cats or dogs at home. Many air purifying plants are toxic to pets, but this one is safe and worry-free. The spider plant thrives in bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light conditions. It doesn't need much attention, just occasional watering, and it will flourish. If you want a plant that's low maintenance, fast-growing, and endlessly rewarding, the spider plant is a must-have. 4. Boston fern. If your home feels dry or stuffy, the Boston fern might be exactly what you need. This plant is known for its ability to remove formaldehyde from the air while also acting as a natural humidifier. That means it not only cleans your air, but also adds moisture back into it. This is especially helpful if you use air conditioning a lot, which can dry out your skin and throat over time. Boston ferns thrive in humid environments, making them perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. Their soft, feathery leaves create a lush, tropical vibe that instantly makes any space feel more alive and relaxing. However, they do need a bit more care than some other plants on this list. They prefer consistent moisture and indirect light. If you keep their soil slightly damp and mist them occasionally, they'll reward you with vibrant, full growth. This plant is ideal if you want to create a calm, spa-like atmosphere at home while improving your air quality at the same time. 5. Golden pothos. Golden pothos is often called the unkillable plant, and for good reason. This trailing plant is incredibly hardy and can survive in a wide range of conditions, from low light to bright indirect sunlight. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't have time for high-maintenance care routines. But don't let its easy nature fool you. It's also a powerful air purifier. It helps remove toxins like formaldehyde and odors from indoor spaces, making your home feel fresher and cleaner. One of its best features is how versatile it is. You can place it on a shelf, let it trail from a hanging basket, or even train it to climb up a wall. It adds a soft, cascading greenery that instantly elevates your interior design. Golden pothos also grows quickly, so you'll see visible results in a short time. It's one of those plants that makes you feel like a successful plant parent, even if you're just getting started. If you want something beautiful, forgiving, and effective, this is it. 6. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is bold, stylish, and incredibly effective at cleaning the air. Its large, glossy leaves are not just for looks, they actually help absorb airborne toxins more efficiently than smaller plants. This makes it a great choice for improving air quality in larger rooms like living areas or offices. It's particularly good at removing chemicals like formaldehyde, which can come from furniture and household products. The rubber plant thrives in bright, indirect light and doesn't need frequent watering. In fact, it prefers its soil to dry out slightly between waterings, making it relatively low maintenance. Visually, it adds a luxury feel to any space. Its deep green leaves create a strong, modern statement that instantly makes your home look more expensive and put together. If you want a plant that's both functional and high-end in appearance, the rubber plant is a perfect fit. 7. Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm brings a tropical vibe while working hard to purify your air. It's especially effective at removing toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, making it a great addition to homes with synthetic materials or limited airflow. Unlike some other air-purifying plants, this one is also pet-friendly, which makes it a safer option for households with animals. It thrives in indirect light and adds a soft, natural elegance with its tall, feathery fronds. It's perfect for filling empty corners and creating a relaxing atmosphere. If you want something that feels like a mini indoor jungle, this is your plant. 8. Dracaena. Dracaena is one of the most stylish air-purifying plants you can own. Its long, spiky leaves give it a modern, architectural look that fits perfectly in contemporary homes. But beyond aesthetics, it's also highly effective at removing toxins like xylene and benzene. It grows tall over time, making it ideal as a statement plant. Place it in a corner, and it instantly becomes a focal point in the room. It's relatively easy to care for, needing moderate light and occasional watering. If you want a plant that looks like interior design art and improves your air, Dracaena is a great choice. 9. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is more than just a decorative plant. It's like having a natural first aid kit at home. It helps remove toxins from the air, but its real bonus is inside its leaves. The gel can be used to soothe burns, cuts, and skin irritation. It loves bright sunlight, so placing it near a window is ideal. It doesn't need frequent watering, making it easy to care for. If you want a plant that's both practical and beautiful, aloe vera is a must-have. 10. English ivy is a powerful plant when it comes to reducing airborne mold and allergens. This makes it especially useful for people with allergies or respiratory issues. It works well in bathrooms or areas with higher humidity. Its trailing vines create a soft, elegant look, whether placed on shelves or hanging baskets. It prefers cooler temperatures and indirect light, making it easy to manage indoors. If you want cleaner air and a stylish trailing plant, English ivy is a perfect choice. So there you have it, 10 powerful houseplants that can transform your air and your home. But here's the real secret. It's not about having just one. The magic happens when you combine multiple plants to create your own indoor ecosystem. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. and subscribe for more plant tips that actually make a difference. And tell me in the comments, which of these plants are you adding to your home first? Till next time, keep growing.